Understanding atmosphere, meanings and usage for IELTS. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt a certain mood or energy? That's atmosphere. Today, we're going to explore this word to help you use it confidently in your IELTS exam in everyday English. Word type. Atmosphere is a noun. This means it's a person, place, thing, or idea. Meaning, atmosphere has two main meanings. First, it's the layer of gases surrounding a planet, like Earth. Second, and more commonly in everyday speech, it refers to the mood or feeling of a place or situation. Word history. The word atmosphere comes from Greek. Atmos means vapor and sphera means ball or globe. It was first used in English in the 1600s to describe the air around Earth. Antonyms. There aren't exact opposites for atmosphere, but some words that contrast with a positive atmosphere are emptiness, void, or vacuum. Synonyms. Some words with similar meanings to atmosphere are ambience, mood, feeling, or environment. Examples used in sentences. The restaurant had a cozy atmosphere that made customers feel at home. Scientists study the Earth's atmosphere to understand climate change. The tense atmosphere in the meeting room made everyone uncomfortable. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse atmosphere with weather. While they're related, weather refers to specific conditions like rain or sunshine, while atmosphere is broader, describing the overall air or mood. Remember, atmosphere can describe both the physical air around us and the feeling of a place. Practice using this word in your speaking and writing to become more comfortable with it. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel in your IELTS exam and in everyday conversations.